Royal We decided that this is a new trend that we're gonna do on YouTube. Goat! Because I'm not a dirty pig. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. JC from Just Lost JC here or whatever. Clearly, I entertain myself. Okay, so if you are new here, I'm just gonna give you a hint. This is the channel where we do something that's silly. We do something that is silly. So you can see from the title, I'm going to be trying out the wet look hairstyle. Why? Because I want people to know that I shower every day. Yeah, I don't know what I titled the video. Maybe something like JC conquers the wet look. Maybe that could be like a series on my channel. Please let me know down below if you want like a series where I try to conquer thing. Okay, maybe not conquer is like a strong. I mean, why not? We all loved it when the English did it, right? Go Britain. Okay, yeah, maybe not conquered, but like JC master. I'm triggered. We're in the bathroom now. I'm not used to filming in here, but I think I should preface this wet look tutorial by saying I'm going to be using this gel, the Extreme Wet Line Gel. You must know it is my first time using that gel, period. And I'm going to be using this, my trusty Giovanni's leave-in conditioner, and of course some water. So let's just tuck in. My hair right now is divided into 6 sections, so I'm going to be working from the back because that seems to be the smartest thing to do at this moment in time. And no, I did not wash my hair before this because, listen, if this doesn't work out, I do not... If you have 4B4C hair like I do, you know how doggone long it takes to wash your hair. I'm not gonna wash my hair, have clean, fresh hair, then put this product in it and it doesn't work, or the wet look doesn't come out like I want, and then I have to wash it again when it took 5 hours. I'm not dumb, I'm not a stupid person, I'm not a stupid cow. What I'm starting off doing, as you can see, you wanna put, you know, your conditioner in there. So right now we have the Giovanni's, it's doing bits for my hair. So, based on my extensive research of the wet look, I realized that in the phrase wet look, the most important part of that phrase is look. Well, wet is kind of important too, but yeah, look, I'm gonna go with look. I'm gonna say that look is the most important because it wants to appear wet. It wants to look wet. It wants to look like I took a shower and I washed my hair and it froze in that position. So you want hair that is not wet, that is in fact dry. So maybe it should be called dry wet look, but is in fact dry, but appears to be wet, as opposed to hair that looks wet and is wet. Please correct me in the comments please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what's going on. We decided, royal we're all in this together. We're all in this together. The collective we, the royal we, decide, no. What I want to do is make my hair look wet, but it isn't wet. Because that sounds like it makes sense. Good. When my hair looks wet, it kind of looks like an afro. So that's why I'm curious to do this on 4B4C hair, because I cannot help but wonder that this look is a uniform wet look, and every time people do it, it comes out looking pretty much the same, pero we don't all have similar hair textures when our hair is wet. So I said, let me see. So let me put some extra just for good measure. Slap that in there. Oh my God, this feels crazy. So we have this section 1 and I'm gonna say done. I'm gonna call it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this other side off camera. And I'm gonna be a bit more chipper about it because, you know, content. You can see that, I hope. Alright, because I'm back, because I'm still silly and I'm still doing this. So we're in the front section now. You know what people don't mention during this wet look is how wet your floors get. What about we talk about the wet look of your floor? What do we talk about that? You know what I mean? Anyway, let's said I was going to come back more chipper, so I'm going to try. At this point, I'm putting in my conditioner. I'm not really going to bother detangling because honestly, it's not that kind of video. It's much like the wash and go. It's a misnomer. It's really a lie. It's really a lie. You know, because the wash and go, when I first heard that, I assumed it meant you washed and then you go. Well, silly me, because you don't wash and go. You wash, put like 300 products in your hair, depending on your hair type, of course, and then you go.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Or you just don't do it. It's neither here nor there. So now I'm just slathering in. I'm being very sarcastic in this video. One, that's because I'm a sarcastic person. So, what's up? And two, it's because that's just the way things are. Sometimes you have to laugh to keep from crying. Sometimes you have to be sarcastic to keep from facing the facts that you are, in fact, doing a wet look on your channel because, like, content. Sometimes I'm not sure how much water needs to be in there. I'm like also trying to make sure I get the roots too. So that's that section. I'm going to do the matching section on this side. Okay, so we are back. I did the back two sections. As you can see, I tied it. This is that middle section. I tied it with a ponytail. And the bottom section is there. So I moved on to the front. I've already kind of finished this section up front. I have put all this gel in there because that's what they told me to do. I have the type of hair that don't really respond to gel. But supposedly it should, right? Because of this wet look tutorial that everyone's doing. So let's try it out. Why not? It looks like I just came out the shower. It looks like people will know I took a bath. Yes. Yeah. Come on, expose my no edges. I want everyone to see that I don't have edges. Right, cool. All right, I'm just gonna go here because this seems... I am a sheep. We are all sheep. You know why? Because we didn't come up with this idea. We did not come up with this idea. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I'm just doing it because everyone else has done it. And I feel like I should because I am a sheep. I'm not the main part of this community. You know, I didn't form the natural hair community. I didn't make the movement. I'm not even sure if I'm still a part of it with the way they're doing 4C people these days. I don't even know if I'm still in it. You know what I'm saying? Because the movement, quite frankly, it might have even been co-opted. I don't even know if I'm still a part of this movement. But here I am, slapping that thing in my hair, slapping that thing in my hair. Sheep, they don't have eyes. And that's why the saying, like, you're following like a blind sheep, that's where that comes from, because sheep actually don't have eyes. I wish I could have pretty eyes. The front of my hair. Does wet line flake? Is this one of those gels that flake? My hair is just like, allow it, like actually allow it. You're moving mad. You're actually moving mad. Now that this is all weighing my hair down, I'm like, wow, my hair is a lot longer than I remember it being. It's a look or not? When I've seen it before, it's very slick up. It goes boom to the end of the neck, boom right here. But if I pin this at the end of my neck, then I'm gonna have this weird mohawk thing. So what? Do I just pin the top and now I have like this pin thing with like, because this is gonna puff up. Like, let's just be real about the whole situation. Because Lord knows I'm trying to pin all this hair to my neck. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna take my handy dandy headscarf. I feel like that's a main part of this, is to get it slick up. I don't own a blow dryer, so I'm just gonna wait for like an hour or two, decide whether or not I'm gonna go out or what, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, I am back, so let's just take this off and see what it's looking like. It's been, what, a couple hours, like 4 hours at this point. I'm gonna go out. So let's see. I do not have my mirror, unfortunately. Okay, my edges kind of disappear. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because my mirror not here. Okay. We still have the point. See, the thing has shrunken. That thing has shrunken. I don't know how I'm supposed to leave like this. This isn't gonna work. Ooh, it's not 100% dry. It is not 100% dry at all. Oh, I don't like the feeling of gel on my neck. Okay, so this is it without anything. And that will obviously puff up like this, kids, is what gentrification looks like. This is what happens when you become an assimilationist. This is what happens when the minority have taken over and you're like, I just want to fit in. I just want to do what they do. This is what gentrification looks like, kids. And it's not okay. It's not okay. But yeah, I'm actually leaving my house like this, which was not the plan. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please tell me down below what you think about this video. I know it was pure bands. I'm being sarcastic, but like, am I? Like, please, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram because I have an Instagram. I'm gonna show you guys a bit of what goes on there. I am posting, repping for the 4CP. Pull them. So please go follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to grow the channel. I'm giving you content. I'm giving you quality. I am giving you something I would never do with my hair ever before. So bye guys. Love you guys so much. All the new people that have joined, thank you so much. All the old people, wagwan brother. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.